everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. This is very tasty and delicious and quick and easy appetizer recipe. Once you make it like this, you're going to say, wow, this is really good. And best of all, these are oilless, oil-free. Today, I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious appetizer recipe. These are Italian style meatballs, and these are cooked meatballs, but they are frozen. You have friends or family gathered and you want to make something real quick and tasty and delicious. That I'm going to share with you the meatballs in air fryer. I will use mustard, ketchup, chipotle ranch dressing, sriracha sauce, and we'll make it delicious. And the air fryer is right here. And I'm going to share some tips with you how you can make these meatballs moist and juicy. We're going to get 1 cup water and we'll put the water inside. I'll cut it open the meatball bag. This is so easy and quick recipe, and you're going to say, wow, this is so easy. You don't need to put water too much. You need water up to that level. And now I'm going to place the meatball on top of it. So our basket is full, and now we're going to place back into air fryer. Close it, I'll plug it in, start it. This is 370 Fahrenheit. For 15 minutes we're going to start it. After 10 minutes we're going to open it, then I will share with you. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking at 375 Fahrenheit. I'm going to open it. This is what I wanted to share with you. Look at this. All the meatballs are nice. They're perfectly done. What I wanted to share with you, once you're done 10 minutes, get a mixing bowl and we're going to get mustard, add ketchup. This is a chipotle ranch. And if you like it hot, definitely sriracha. Just combine it well. Once this is all combined, now we're going to bring all the meatballs in here. So we're going to add all the meatballs inside and just give a stir. So once it's nicely coated, that's going to give nice flavor to our meatball. After mixing it well, this is looking good. We'll place it back into the basket. Spread it evenly, place it back into the air fryer. Once we press it, it will start automatically at 370 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. We're almost done. It's 1 more minute to go. We have our final beat. I'm going to open it. Look at this. Nice, juicy, steamy, our meatball recipe. This is very tasty and delicious and quick and easy appetizer recipe. If you haven't tried this one, please try it. Once you make it like this, you're going to say, wow, this is really good. And best of all, there is no oil. These are oilless, oil-free. And if you see right on the air fryer, some oil start to ooze out. That came out of meatballs. And now our meatballs are more healthy. So this is very quick recipe, and now you know how it's easy you can make meatballs in air fryer. And let me show you at the bottom, we added the water, and that plays a good part in it. And you see the oil on top of it, that came out of the meatball. So let me share with you. Prior to serving it, chipotle sauce and sriracha. chili sauce. I like chili sauce when it comes to hot food. Wow, it's so delicious. It's super jam. Look at this. This is super juicy. I'm going to try it. It's hot. So good. And some parsley flake on top of it. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.